BenQ MH733 Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. The zoom and Keystone features work as expected. Impressive brightness capability. The brightness level can be customized as per the requirements. Easy to install. Several inputs. The image is very sharp and bright. Short throw distance. The menu is simple and easy to understand. It delivers good document presentations. Many people like the capability of playing in daytime. Easy to use. As per some users, it is the best, quietest, and brightest projector. "120 inches maximum screen size is not bad. It is perfect for a home theater system as well as a conference room. Cons. Some users faced network-related issues. A user complained that the lens exploded on the first day of use. That's it, please like and subscribe.